What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're gonna be doing a high taper on my boy, so stay tuned. We started off by picking out the hair and then going with the grain with the 1.5 guard. After we were done taking down all the hair, we moved on to our Gold FX and created our first guideline. You always want to make sure you contour this guideline to the head shape. Now that we're done creating our first guideline, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Using the lever all the way closed and midway will help you erase that initial guideline. Now that we've erased our initial guideline, we're going to go ahead and move on to our 1 guard all the way open and create our third guideline. With this same guard, you're going to soften up the same guideline and move on to your half guard. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, make sure you watch to the end. Using our 1.5 guard all the way open, we're going to go ahead and go against the grain right above our 1 guard all the way open. Since we're done with our 1.5 guard, we're going to move on to our 1 guard all the way open and detail as much as possible. Always remember to go with the grain and against the grain when needed. Also remember to always use your comb to brush down the hair in the direction it lays. Moving on from the back, we're going to start off with our Gold FX and create our first guideline. Now that we're done creating our first guideline, we can move on to our no guard all the way open. Using the lever all the way closed and midway will help you erase that initial guideline. Moving on to our 1 guard all the way open, we're going to create our third guideline. Now that we've softened up the line with the 1 guard, we can move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. Moving on to our 1.5 guard all the way open, we're going to go ahead and try to blend into the bulk. And we're going to keep repeatedly switching from the 1.5 guard to the 1 guard all the way open. Using the raking method with the no guard all the way open is very important when you're blending into the 1 guard. When using my 1.5 guard, I always like to use the corners. Always make sure to go against the grain in some areas where you see some darkness. When doing my necklines, I always start at the bottom and work my way to the top arch. Moving on to the sideburns, we're going to start off with our no guard all the way open and create our first guideline. Now with our 1 guard all the way open, we're going to go ahead and create our second guideline and connect the 1 guard to the half guard. We're going to move on to our gold FX and go at an angle at the back neckline. You always want to make sure you comb out the hair before you set in your guideline. Moving on to the hairline, we're starting off in the middle and working our way to the left side. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. apply some elegant shave gel and then use our Turkish razor and Derby Premium Blaze to make them as crispy as possible.